This video will demonstrate the clustered or distributed controller setup in master mode with Aperio RS-485 hub integration. You can daisy chain up to 8 hubs per APC, 16 locks per hub and 32 locks per APC. This integration is supported on a distributed or clustered controller. This schematic shows the RS-485 connection from the master controller in APC mode to the Aperio hub. Take note of the dip switch settings on the hub. Firmware version 3 is required on the clustered controller and version 2 on the distributed controller for this integration. Using the Aperio programming application to pair locks with the hub. Log in to the PAP tool and click on Open. Click on Quick Scan to scan for communication hubs. When discovered, click on the Show Details button. It will now retrieve information from the hub. To pair a lock with the hub, right-click, choose Communication Hub, and click on Pair with Lock or Sensor. Pair the lock with the hub. Show a card to the Aperio lock and wait for the hub's LED to go from steady yellow to alternating green and yellow. Click on Done. The lock is now paired with the hub. Click on Close. The next step is to install the APC master controller and locks that are paired with the hub. Navigate to Hardware and click on the Master Controllers tab. To install the master controller and locks, click on Install. Select the APC and then Next to install it. Remember, the locks are paired with the RS-485 hub. Click on Scan Bus to get a list of the locks. Discovery is in progress. Select the locks that are paired with the hub. Click on Next. Here you will select if you want the software to automatically create doors for the locks installed on site. Based on the type of lock you have installed, you will select one of the options, that is entry reader only, or exit and entry readers. This is a summary of what will be installed. Click Execute. The hardware installation is in progress. When the installation is complete, the Aperio locks will appear under the Locks tab. Navigate to Doors. Select Quick Door. Enter a descriptive name for the door and click on Save. A preset is a template that determines how the locks that belong to the preset will behave. The preset template guarantees standard behavior across all the locks assigned to it after the installation. Navigate to Presets. The Aperio preset can be found under the Lock Presets tab. A list of the Aperio locks assigned to the preset will be shown under the Locks tab. Extra Aperio lock features, not previously available, are now ready for use, like inputs, outputs, actions, etc. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.